What's good? Kicking the crew. It's your girl, Keita, back with another episode. Hey, I'm out here. Had to take my car to get the tires rotated and stuff. And so I dropped it off. But I'm out here walking. And I picked up some stuff. I'm gonna show y'all. I went to Walmart. Which is, let me turn you all around. Let me see if I can show y'all. Hey, I'm out here. Anybody know where it is at? This is where I'm at. Out here. So we walking. This is why I got on feet today. Wait, can y'all see those? Just do it. The boys playing. Yeah, so I'm out here walking. And I gotta go back over there to Bell Tire to get my car. And so yeah, I gotta go back to Bell Tire to get my car. Man, it is cold out here, so I ain't gonna have this phone out long. But y'all like to see what I'm doing. And I was off today, so I'm out here. I might make a few more stops before I head home, but right now we out here. Got my stuff. It's freezing out here. I really just went to Walmart because it's like across the street from where I gotta go. So it ain't that far of a walk. I'll show y'all Bell Tire. But we gotta cross this crazy big street I'm out here in Troy. Yeah. So we out here walking. So I catch back up to y'all as I get close to Bell Tire, which is like across the street and down some. My hands cold. I'll catch up with y'all when I get in my car. No matter how I'm gonna stay walking over here. Y'all see Bell Tires like right down there. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's right there. But yeah, I'm out here walking. It is freezing out here though. It's cold. Like it is cold. My hands are cold. So I can't hold this up much longer. I'm trying to get some footage from what I was doing today. Quick little vlog together. Just the day in the life on my day off. We might go in some shoe stores because I might go by the mall. So we'll see. But yeah, there go Bell Tire right there. So I catch up with y'all when I get in the car. This time I'm serious because it's freezing. Gotta put my hands in my pocket. Peace. Alright, there y'all go. Y'all can see Bell Tire. You see my car is right there by the door. They done with it, so I'm about to go get it. Yeah, I'm trying to cross this busy old street. Dude, dang, look at this. I'm about to run across the street. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Cold out here. Alright, we over here. I made it. Here's my car over here. You see it? Look like they cleaned it, but I doubt it. It need washing. It's dirty. Alright, here you go, right here. Here go my car. So I'm about to go get the key. And hold on. I'll get my key.
Oh, okay, ship it. Go ahead. Go for it.
I had to get my car.
That's my cheapest drive. Okay.
Sell that one for $164. That's the tire, the installation, taxes out the door.
Great.
I don't stock it, but I can order it and get it.
What do you want? Contact EWS06.
Oh, like ice.
This is my over at Hellfire. You can give me a call at 248-649-2250. Thank you. Give me one more
on that one. Those are $190.
Yeah, I'm about to get my keys.
Again, that's installed out the door.
If I have my 4 tires shipped here, what's your installation charges?
Well, I wouldn't get it. We're giving delivered.
And when I get my keys, I'll show you.
If you brought them to me, I can put them on.
Hope y'all enjoying this footage. I'm making freezing my butt. My hand pretty much was just thinking that it's cold. Everything else.
Okay, forget all that. The cheapest tires, 4 tires in my size. It's 235, 40, 18.
I'll show you something.
I took a picture actually.
My hand.
Yeah, you're right. Oh man, yeah, I looked at the 18 inch. I didn't even realize. So yeah, that's 235, 45, 17. Yeah. So please tell me what's it.
Oh yeah, I got my keys. And here got my car right here. So we about to get in here. I ain't gonna even play with y'all. I need washing. This boy is dirty in the mud. Anyway, so let's see, so we back in the whip. Oh, thank God for my car, dude. All right, got my keys back in here. Whew, it's cold outside. It's crazy. Oh my goodness, cold up here. Anyway, I put my keys back on. Anyway, got my keys back. I don't know what happened right. Okay, y'all, I'm back. The last time y'all seen me, I was walking. I was in my car. Then I think my memory on my phone got full. So here's some of the stuff I picked up. I'm about to show y'all right quick. Nothing. This is a couple of things I picked up from Walmart and stuff. Okay, here we go. Okay, we got this hat. It's from Walmart. This boy's clean. Swiss Tech. It was only $12.96. And I also picked up this flannel. I think the flannel was like $9. It wasn't even that much. It's like $10. So I got this. I don't have a black and red one, so I got that. And I picked up this Power Ranger game, collector's edition. It was on sale too. It was cheap. So I'm gonna play this. How many of y'all know about the Power Rangers? Come on now. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. This was the stuff. And look at this. They got like the old Rangers in there too. Y'all see all the old. Anyway, they got all the villains. You see them? And all the Power Rangers. And I think you can actually be the old original Power Ranger. Look, they got the Green Ranger and some of the upgraded Rangers. But you can be all the Rangers. 2 people can play it. So if y'all want the smoke, come on with it. Go pick it up and tell me you got it, and let's play. I got y'all. And I picked up another SD card so I can get more footage in on my camera, because my phone won't let me record so long. So I got this. Pick this up. And I got this. This is like a portable backpack. So you see, you can close it up like a little carry bag. Throw some stuff in it when you need to. And it was only $10. So I got this. They have black, gray, and this camo. I like the camo, so I picked up the camo. And I would have recorded when I went in the mall, but I only went in there in and out. But I did pick up something from the mall, so I'm about to show you. I went into H&M. Now H&M they're having a sale right now, y'all. So y'all should go hit it up. But I only got one thing out of that. No, I got 2 things, but the other thing I gotta get. This is all I picked up out of there. This Harvard sweater. It was on sale too for like $13. The original price was $29. Got it for $13. And so this Harvard sweatshirt. See? So I picked that up too. And that's pretty much it. Like always, I appreciate y'all for tuning in to another episode of Kicking It with Keita. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment what y'all want to see me do next. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And tell another friend that I'm on YouTube now, y'all. Come on. Comment, like, subscribe. All of that. Do all of that. And follow me over there on Instagram. I'm on Instagram, Kicking It with Keita. And what else can I tell y'all? Yeah, it was a long day now. I should be back on here again soon, so comment some stuff y'all want to see, and I got y'all. Until next time, y'all stay blessed. Be safe. Peace.